In today's video, I'll teach you how to remove extensions in Google Chrome. So first of all, launch open Google Chrome. You can see over here I've already opened it. So if you want to remove the extension, it is actually very simple. Right over here, right next to the address bar, you'll be able to find the icon for extensions. Click on it. Now you'll be able to see all the extensions over here. Or if you do not find the icon for extension over here, click on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for extensions and hover over it. Now you'll be able to find two options. Manage extensions, visit Chrome Web Store. Click on this option, Manage extensions. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the extensions interface. You'll be able to see all the extensions over here. What you have to do is find the extension that you would like to remove. Now right over here, you'll be able to find two options, details, remove. Click on this option, remove, that you can see on the screen. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Click on the option, remove. Now once you do that, you can see over here that extension has been removed from the Google Chrome. So that is how you remove extensions from Google Chrome. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.